Hello and welcome back to another video. In our previous video, we have talked about if and else. But let's say we want to talk about one more condition, and that is, let's say, and or. How you can use and or in if and else. So here you can see that the name input is enter your name. So I will say, are you a student? I will say here, are you student? Yes or no. I want to say here that please write yes or no. Okay, are you student? Please write yes or no. So user will type yes or no, right? So I will say if equal to y, then you are a student. Else we will say you are not student. You are not student. All right, now let's run it, and here you can see y and let's say I want to type here y, enter, and it say you are a student. And I'm going to use here one more if condition, that is else if. So if you want to write else if, you have to say elif, else if colon, then you will say print okay, else if you have to give here one more condition, right? So the name is equal to no, right? And then you will say that you are not a student. You are not a student. And I want to actually remove the else statement from here. Now let's say I want to run it, and now I will say and here you can see you are not a student. But what about let me run it once again, and let's say now I want to write it small letter, and see there is nothing. So we have to use here or and condition. So to use or condition, you have to say or, you have to say like this, small letter y, because anyone can actually type it in a small letter, right? Y. So I will say that if you type in y in capital or a small letter, that means you are a student. And I will say here or means either the left one or the right one. If anyone will be true, then you will enter here the condition. Okay, the condition it fulfill. So yeah, now I will say small n. Now let's run the code, and if I say here y small letter, and here you can see you are a student. So this is how actually you can use or. And if you want to use and, you just have to say here and like this. That's it. Or and. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.